Are you thinking about living north of Atlanta? You have come to the right place. Today I'm going to take you on a tour of a brand new home in Woodstock, Georgia that you might just fall in love with. I'm Shauna Sherrill and I'm a realtor in the area. My team and I help people just like you every single day that are moving to the area, and we want to help you too. Today we are at Liberty Springs. This is a community of only 10 estate lots, but they're all large lots with a minimum of 1 acre. The homes are built by Lauren Homes, and it's just a beautiful, beautiful area. We're just a short drive to downtown Woodstock. We're in the Hickory Flat area, and it's also just a short drive to Alpharetta and Crabapple area. So it's a great location, great homes, and let's just take a quick look around the neighborhood before we head inside. So here's where you would actually come into the neighborhood, and you can see there are some homes that are complete and occupied. There are some lots still available, large lots. This is the home that we're actually going to tour today, and we'll come back to that. It's wooded, and there are some more under construction, and then there's just this one street that goes down to a cul-de-sac. So very private. As you can see, it's a beautiful day here in Woodstock, blue skies. Now this is the Chatham floor plan. It is 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, has an unfinished basement, and it is on the market. It's currently listed for $799. Let's go in and take a look. Okay, we are coming into the front door. The first room here is your dining area. Really like these floors, beautiful light hardwood floors. You're coming into the family room here. Fireplace with gas logs. View of the wooded back. And it opens right up to this beautiful kitchen. So here's a nice sized pantry. Really pretty shaker style cabinets. The gas cooktop. Quartz countertops. And then in the corner, of course, is your oven and microwave. A nice deck. Barbecue season's upon us. I did want to show you the garage. I don't always go in the garage, but this one's just a really nice size, so I wanted to show it to you. So you can very easily fit 2 cars in here. 2 big cars, maybe more. Now on the main level, there is a guest bedroom and bath. You know, while we're making our way over here, I would like to remind you, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel so that you are always seeing when we have these new tours come available. So this is your bedroom, could easily be an office, and a full bath with shower. Now the remaining bedrooms and baths are upstairs, so let's run up the stairs here. There's a landing. I'll meet you at the top. Okay, we are now at the top of the stairs. We have a little loft area here, so you could easily make it a playroom or a little sitting area, maybe a media area. There's your first bedroom on the 2nd level. There's a walk-in closet And then a Jack and Jill bath. Have your dual vanities. Shower tub combination. And into the other bedroom. Give you another peek outside. It's going to be beautiful here once the trees fill in. Now as we come back to the hallway, here's your laundry room. And your primary suite is here on the end. The tray ceiling, view of the back, and a nice size bath, dual vanities. There's your water closet there. And check out this tub. Some soaking tubs aren't quite large enough. This one definitely is. And then there is your shower. Last but not least is the primary closet with plenty of space. And finally, we'll come right back to the loft area, and there is an additional bedroom here on the front. Well, that concludes our tour of the Chatham floor plan here at Liberty Springs. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if we can help you with this home or any others in the area, we would absolutely love to. Just give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, or schedule a chat, and let's get you started moving in the right direction. Don't forget, if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel so you'll be the first to know when we have future tours coming available. See you soon.